Hi y'all, I'm Grandma, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke some baked potatoes. Now I've taken and I've put the smoker on 225, and I've washed 8 potatoes. What I'm going to do is this is a double recipe. I'm going to put the single for 4 potatoes, but this is olive oil and garlic powder and salt and pepper. And I'm going to take, and I've cleaned these and little pieces that, you know how sometimes potatoes go bad, I cut those out. Now I'm going to rub these down, and then we're going to put this on the smoker, and we're going to let these smoke on 225, and we're going to do that. It takes about 3 hours. I don't know if y'all have had smoked baked potatoes, but they are absolutely delicious. And they're really easy. Just easier to use your hands sometimes. And I use olive oil instead of butter because butter actually will burn faster. But you can try it both ways if you want, because actually, you know, you are smoking it and it's a very slow smoke. There we go. All I'm going to do now is close the lid, and we will be back in 3 hours. There it is, 2 hours in, and it's looking good. 3 hours on the grill. Now I'm going to take the fattest one, and you take and you push. See how it makes a good indent? That means they're done and ready to go. So we're going to take them in and get them plated. There it is. It's all plated up. It looks and it smells absolutely delicious, and I'm sure it's going to taste that way too. Smoked baked potatoes. Easy, simple, and absolutely delicious. Don't forget, try the recipe, make a comment, and don't forget, push like and subscribe to my page. And until next time, from my kitchen to yours, love and light.